Hello, I'm Chef Julio with Zocalo Street Food and Tequila. Today I'm going to combine a perfect recipe with grilled meats with a modern version of Mexican street food. Molcajetes. Let's go see how it's made. Vámonos. We started with caramelize some peppers and onions. Get that on the grill. Start to cook them really nice and fresh. Season them. They get nice and caramelized and good. And then we add a chile toreado, which is Serrano Pepper. We also do the green onion, which is a little larger bulb green onion. We also have all the meats that go on that grill. We do a churrasco steak, which is a skirt steak, marinated, grilled to your liking, of course. And then we have chicken breast that's grilled as well. We have these big, large prawns. We wrap them with bacon, put them on a skewer, heat them on the grill. Nopales. Everybody loves nopales. And those are cactus leaves. And then, of course, zucchini squash, give it that nice, fresh flavor. We put that in our molcajete, which is a stone lava mortar pestle lava rock. It's organic clay from Mexico. We put that, it's nice and piping hot, grilled, sizzling. We bring that out to you. You'll be the envy of the dining room. Combine the molcajete grill with fire roasted corn, fresh guacamole, and handcrafted margaritas made all with 100% tequila agave. And this is Zocalo.
Wilmington Eats, sponsored by Zocalo Street Food and Tequila.